guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aisha and today I'll show you how I have done this bridal makeup on myself. So if you want to learn it and save money by doing your own bridal makeup or just try it for fun, then stay with me till the end of the video. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, let's start. First I'm going in with the number 5 serum to calm my skin. I'm massaging it in really well so everything sits nicely on top. And it's really important that you should take your time over here, relax yourself because good makeup depends on nice skin care. Alright, next I'm using the Maybelline Pore Eraser to blur out my pores because I have acne prone skin. So honestly, it's like one of my favorite quick fixes. So if you have acne prone skin like me, don't skip this for big events. Now let's jump into the eye makeup. I'm starting with a terracotta shade from the CoverGirl Eye Enhancer palette, Desert Heat, and I'm using a terracotta shade from it and blending it right into my crease. Then I'm deepening the crease using the darker shade from Inglot eyeshadow palette, using it under the lash line as well. I'm using a darkest shade from the palette, a chocolate brown shade, and placing it on the outer corners to add some dimension, as you can see here. Now I'm using a fluffy brush and making sure that there is no harsh lines, especially on the top part, diffusing it really well, blending it with the lighter brown shade that I use in the second part. For the lid, I'm going in with the Soho Shimmers palette from Laura Geller. I'm applying the copper shade Grand all over the lid, very pretty. It looks like a little bit paler when I use it on the lid. And now I'm using a fluffy brush again and making sure it is even. Now I'm using a purple shimmer on top of it. It's known as Thompson for that extra pop for the bridal glow. And you can see how pretty it is, especially on brown skin. It looks so pretty. I love it. You can just see how awesome it looks. And it's important to use your finger when you are using the shimmer eye shade. And now I'm using that same terracotta shade on the lower lash line. And now I'm making a wing with the dark brown shade. And I am actually going for a soft look. So I am going with the dark brown eye shade. If you want, you can use an eyeliner, but I'm not the eyeliner person today. It's very important to use an angled brush over here, alright, to create a soft eyeliner. Now I'm using a gold shimmer pencil from Clarins on the inner corner of my eye to pop my eyes even more. Now I'm cleaning the excess from the under eyes. And now let's move on to the face, because for bridal makeup it's all about that glow. So I have used the MAC strobe cream on the high points of my face to bring that natural lit from within highlight, and a little goes a long way with this, okay? For the base, I'm using the Max Factor Miracle Pure Foundation. It's a lightweight foundation and it's perfect for when you want the skin to look natural, dewy, but still like your skin. And I'm applying it evenly with a dry a beauty blender since the formula is very thin. Now I have used this purple brown concealer underneath my eyes, and you can see how it has instantly changed the look. It's a beautiful lightweight natural concealer, perfect for bridal looks, and you can just see how awesome it has made my whole makeup, whole skin. And now for the extra coverage on this spot, I have done my little hack. Mix two foundations to create a custom shade that matches me perfectly. And again, the idea is to use very little amount over the areas where you need coverage, not all over your face, because the idea is natural looking glowy skin. So keep that in mind when you're using this hack. And I'm going to use it a little bit on the nose as well. And now I dabbed it using my fingers and pressed it into the skin so that it does not get mixed with the foundation. And now I've used the beauty blender, which I use for the foundation, to blend everything seamlessly. And now I'm using this brown shade, very light, very gentle, as a contour. It's the same shade that I used as the second shade on my eyes. And now I'm using this Desert Heat again as a blush, very gently. And now I'm using my favorite, the Peach blush from Shiseido. And you can see how it has made the overall look so good. And now I'm using this shimmer or highlighter from Luscious Cosmetics. It's a cream shimmer and I'm using it on the high points of my face again. And you can see how it has added a subtle glow to the face, made it look so gorgeous without making it look tacky. It's from the face palette from Luscious Cosmetics. I'm using it on the upper lip and of course on the collarbone because you need it. And then I am fixing everything together with my favorite Laura Mercier face powder. Now you might ask that Aisha, you said the makeup is going to be dewy, why we are using the face powder? Because even in dewy makeup you don't want the makeup to melt, so you need to use face powder but in a very light quantity. And because the products are dewy, so the makeup eventually is going to be dewy. Don't worry. And now for my favorite part, the lip. So for the lip, I have used MAC Antique Velvet Lipstick as a lip liner. And then I'm using MAC Top. And you can see how it is looking so gorgeous together. And now I'm using Max Factor Nectar Punch as a lip gloss. And you can just see how gorgeous it looks. The combination of all these three. You can actually skip Nectar Punch, but I think it adds a real gorgeous look to the overall makeup. Now I'm using the mascara from Maybelline. You can actually use eyelashes at that point, but you know me. And the makeup is done. So this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, then don't forget to put a thumbs up to it and subscribe to my channel. And until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys and mwah, ciao.